Hello, I'm CGN. This is a quick video to show how to make text bold in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to New File to create a new document. I will use this preset and keep this preset setting and create a new document. Next, we can add text. We can use horizontal type tool, and then we can click and start to type. I type bold, and then I will use move tool to show the transform bounding box. I enlarge it to make it obvious and press enter to apply it. Next, we can go to window and show character window. And then we can go to the setting. We can find bold icon, click to make it bold. Alternative, we can change it from regular to bold if you have the font type. I click to make it bold. This is the second option. The third option, we can use layer style. So we can go to layers window and then double click on the text layer to open the layer style, and then go to stroke and check the box to activate it, and then select it, and then we can change the color to same color by using the dropper. Click to pick the color and click OK to apply. And then we can change the stroke size. For example, I type 3, 5, and 10. If you're happy with this, we can press OK to apply it. So this is how we can make text bold in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.